What I didn't anticipate on is the fact that if I am, for example, not in a meeting, but I was invited to the meeting, that if it is recorded and transcribed, that I can see what has happened in that meeting, and I can go to exactly that, what I need to work on my personal tasks. So I didn't expect it to be that good in those things.
I haven't yet met everyone, and sometimes you don't know what everybody's role and function is. So I've literally just asked it. I've said, hey, Copilot, tell me the people who are experts at software asset management, and it brings back a list of colleagues within my region. So I can reach out to these people and say, I've got a challenge with this customer. Are you able to help me?
Help me to find the email or message from the sales, okay, and the context. I actually tell the Copilot what's the context that is about some licensing, okay, regarding to a specific MV product, okay, and then Copilot can help me to search, do the contextual search, okay, quickly, and then it also summarize what is the content of the email it can find, and it actually really find me the exact email I want, okay, and then I also immediately ask the Copilot, okay, simply give me the pricing information in a table format, okay, and then the Copilot actually can did it, okay. I don't even need to open that email.
Yes, actually how Microsoft incorporated GPT into their suite of applications, specifically the Microsoft 365, is absolutely brilliant. So if I'm looking for a document, for example, that I've been working on with a coworker, I don't have to ask him for the link again. I don't have to go searching for the link. I just ask Copilot, hey, where's this document that I've been working on, let's say with Elliot, like on a webinar? And sure enough, there's the information really available.